Yo, what is up, guys? I have some good news. So, I'm going to deposit some money into my account, my bank account, and what I want to do with that money is I'm going to buy a camera. So, you're going to see me with a camera in a few days slash a week or two, because I need to first deposit the money, then I need to order the camera off eBay, because this is gonna be my first camera and it's gonna be pretty cheap. So forgive me if the quality is not that good, but at least like I'm away from my phone and it's gonna be better quality. So I need to order it. I need to put money into my account, then I'll order it from eBay. Then it's gonna come in a few days. So then I can start recording with that and I'll unbox it and everything for you guys. So stay tuned for that and subscribe to my channel. Turn your notifications on in the meanwhile, and by the time the camera comes, I want to see 50 subscribers, 55, 60, however, as the more subscribers we have, the better. But yeah, the camera's gonna come. I want to do unboxing and everything. But yeah, hope you enjoy it. Good content coming soon. And yeah, let me know what kind of videos you want to see with the camera. Car spotting, pranks, public videos, whatever you want to see, let me know. I'll try and do public videos. I'm a bit nervous with that. Please forgive me. And yeah, I'll see you guys when the camera comes. I'll do the unboxing. And yeah, I'll let you know of updates as well. So yeah, subscribe and see you in the next one. Peace out.